Embarking on a fitness journey can be daunting, especially if you're a beginner. The first step in starting your healthy lifestyle is setting realistic goals that reflect your capabilities and aspirations. Whether it's losing a few pounds, building strength, or simply feeling fitter, having a clear goal will keep you motivated and focused. Creating a workout schedule is essential in ensuring consistency and progress. Start with simple exercises like walking, jogging, or cycling. These activities are not only easy on your joints but also effective in building cardiovascular endurance. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise 5 days a week. Gradually, you can introduce strength training to your routine using light weights or resistance bands. Nutrition plays a crucial role in your fitness journey. Embrace a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Avoid processed foods and sugary snacks that could derail your progress. Staying hydrated is also vital, so make sure you drink plenty of water throughout the day, especially before and after workouts. It's important to listen to your body and avoid overexertion. Give yourself adequate rest between workouts to recover and prevent injuries. Incorporate stretching and flexibility exercises like yoga or Pilates to improve your range of motion and reduce muscle stiffness. These routines can also enhance your mental well-being, making your fitness journey more enjoyable. Tracking your progress can be highly motivating. Keep a fitness journal or use a mobile app to record your workouts, diet, and how you feel each day. Celebrate small victories and milestones as they are indicators of your hard work and dedication. Remember, consistency is key, and every step forward, no matter how small, is a step towards a healthier you. Finding a support system can contribute significantly to your success. Join a fitness class, find a workout buddy, or participate in online communities where you can share tips, experiences, and encouragement. Surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals can provide the accountability and motivation needed to stay on track. Starting a fitness routine may be challenging, but with determination and the right mindset, it becomes a rewarding journey. Patience is essential as results take time. Stay positive and enjoy the process of transforming into a healthier, stronger version of yourself. Embrace the journey, take it one day at a time, and most importantly, have fun while doing it.